high-performing hospital leaders don't have few problems. They have earlier control. That is the difference. Most hospitals react to claims problem after they happen. So merong RTH, denied, audit findings. Then high-performing hospitals don't wait for that moment. They design systems that prevent claims failure before submission. The difference, hindi po sa effort. The difference is leadership behavior. So let me show you what performing hospital leaders do differently. First, they treat claims as a leadership responsibility, hindi ho department task. Claims are not just billing work, they are business and clinical system. High-performing leaders don't ask who should fix the claim. They ask, why did our system allow this to fail? Now, that question changes everything. Number two, they stay close to clinical documentation. Now, they do not micromanage doctors, but by understanding how documentation drives revenue. They know under modern payment system, documentation is not paperwork, documentation is payment logic. So when leaders understand documentation, they make better strategic decision. Walang hula-hula ho. Then, things become predictable. Let's go to number 3. Leaders focus on pre-submission control. Yung weak hospital, they fix claims late. So, strong hospitals review claims early. They identify gaps before claims are transmitted. They catch documentation's issues before audit. Hindi ho extra work. It's more on smart work. Okay? Number 4, leaders involve doctors early. High-performing leaders understand one thing. Doctors are not care providers only. They are the revenue drivers. So when doctors understand how documentation affects payment, claims quality improve automatically. Wala hong threat, wala hong pressure sa kanila. Just clarity. Okay. Number 5. These leaders, they don't rely on theory. Okay? They rely on simulation. High-performing hospitals don't just explain rules. They test the system. They simulate real cases. They see how documentation decisions change reimbursement outcome. That's how blind spots are then easily exposed. Here's the key insights. Now, high-performing hospitals, they are not lucky. They are simply intentional. They don't wait for the claims to fail. They design systems that make failure a little bit difficult. If your hospital is still reacting to claims issues, the solution is not effort. The solution is better structure, better alignment, better leadership decision. So high-performing leaders, they do not chase the revenue. They design systems that protect revenue. So claim success is not accidental. Claim success is engineered. And leadership does the engineering. This is Coach Doc Ben. See you soon.